The civil billing system is developed to simplify the civil engineering billing. Currently, most of the civil engineering staff are using Excel for billing operations. In Excel, all the linking is to be done for every work and for every bill and for every new item added. Print setting will get affected time to time and system to system. It is easy to malpractice editing values in Excel. To overcome the difficulties in Excel and to have a better user-friendly program, this software is developed. The advantages of the program are briefly explained here. Master data can be created from Excel file easily. It is easy to know the check value at any stage of entry of measurements. Measurements can be entered as in standard measurement book MB writing. Count can be entered as valid mathematical formula like 1 into 5 into 3 into 2.5 plus 3.2 divided by 2. Date-wise measurements can be entered and report can be obtained. Steel bars measurements can be entered easily. Associated statements like theoretical requirement of consumption of cement, bitumen, steel bars, etc. can be obtained by a click. Other statements like variation statement, HR, ALR, excess quantity approval statement, part rate statement, check measurement statement and subcontract measurement statement, etc. can be obtained by a click. Secured advance in the standard CPWD format can be obtained. All deductions can be defined for effective recovery. Escalation bill can be made easily as per clause 10cc price variation. Registers for daily labor and daily cement can be made by a click. Quality control registers can also be made by a click. Data can be copied from one system to other and can be kept safely in pen drives. Creation of next area bills automates the quantities and amounts as previous and since previous easily. Error-free calculations in all reports. Saves lot of time and effort of engineering and account staff. Runs in Windows XP and above versions and prints on all printers. Let us learn through live demo. On double-clicking, the program opens with beta version remaining 303 days, that is 10 months. Click OK to continue. The login window opens with the name Ravi. Default username is Ravi. Only password can be changed. Type 123 as password. Enter or click OK button. Contract ID drop-down list. For each work order containing number of items and in different parts shall be given with a unique 5-digit number, that is contract ID for identification. Already added contract ID, it is to be selected from contract ID drop-down list. Add new button. To add new contract ID, add new button is to be clicked. After adding, it is to be selected from contract ID drop-down list. Update button. To update selected contract ID to make database to compatible with new updated program. Delete button. To delete selected contract ID from the system permanently. This can be used for sample works or fully completed works. It is better to have master backup before deleting master permanently. Master operation. Master operation contains details of work order, that is 1. Contract name, work name, schedule date of start, completion, etc. 2. Part details. 3. Item details with quantity, unit, rate, HR, ALR, APL, BPL, above plinth level, below plinth level, etc. 4. Deduction details like rebates, IT, SD, mobilization advance, interest and any department issues and ad hoc recoveries. Master details can be viewed and printed. Bills button. Billing operation contains bill number, date and entry of measurements for particular selected items, secured advance of materials, recoveries to be performed in quantity or amount and copy pasting of existing old measurements, and bill can be viewed and printed. Statements button. Statements operation contains all necessary statements like part rate statement, cement consumption statement, steel reconciliation statement, HRLR excess quantity approval statement, check measurement statement, subcontract bill statement, etc. All statements can be viewed and printed. Escalation button. Escalation operation contains entry of bill details with recoveries, indices, percentage of escalation components, etc. and getting escalation bill preview for print. Levels button. Levels operation is to enter staff readings and top level benchmark, etc. Then the level field book entry can be obtained along with cut fill volume calculations in a preview window to print. Registers button. Registers of daily labor, cement and quality control registers can be made for defined registers with a defined number of pages. Select menu item by clicking edit or housekeeping or change password or option. Under edit menu, cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, find, save, exit are available. Click drop down list to select contract ID. Select contract ID. Here 123 is the contract ID. To add new contract ID, click add new toolbar button. Enter new contract ID. Click save button to save new contract ID. The message displayed as new ID added. Click OK to continue. Click OK to update all master details. Message displayed as master updated. Click OK to continue. Click OK to continue. To select existing contract ID, select contract ID from drop-down list. Select contract ID from the drop-down list. Click the update button to update database for new program compatibility. Click OK to update all master details. Message displayed as master updated. Click OK to continue. Click M for master operation. Master operation contains all work order details like contract details, part details, item details and deduction details. All necessary details are to be filled by user before making bills. Master window opens. Part code shall be given as A, B, C, etc. Item code shall be given as A001, A002A, A002B, A003, B001, etc. In the item code, first digit shall contain part code, second or third, fourth digits for item number, and in fifth, sixth and seventh digit shall contain sub-item codes as ABC or AA, AB, AC or AAA, AAB, AAC, etc. Extra items shall be AX01, AX02, AX03A, etc. Second digit shall be X and third and fourth digit shall be serial numbers from 01 to 99. Fifth, sixth and seventh digit shall contain sub-item code as ABC or AA, AB, AC or AAA, AAB, AAC, etc. Similarly, for substitute items, S to be provided in second digit. For substandard or rate reduction items, R to be provided in second digit. Deduction codes are given as standard up to 13. New codes can be added as 14, 15, etc. Only percentage or rate to be indicated in rate percent column. If unit is percent, the rate considered will be as percentage or as rate per unit like MT, SQM, kg, cum, each, etc. Calculations will be done by program accordingly. Click B for billing operation. Validity checks displays. Click OK to continue. Validity checks reminds the lapses. This can be avoided from options menu. Billing operation window opens. Billing operation contains 1. Entry of measurements of each item in different dates. Secured advance details can be entered for materials brought to site. Recovery is not specified. Percentage in master can be given quantity or amount here. Copy paste of old measurements can be done from one item to other item. Click S for statements. Statements contains 1. Variation statement with respect to estimate or work order. Rate can be obtained easily. Provision to enter remarks is available. 2. Cement issue and consumption statement can be made easily. 3. Bitumen issue and consumption statement can be made easily. 4. Steel issue and consumption statement can be made easily. Statement window opens. 5. AHR LR excess quantity approval statements can be obtained easily. 6. Part rate statement can be obtained by a click. 7. Check measurement statement can be obtained easily. 8. The measurements can be divided between number of subcontractors for payments. Click exit button or close button to close the window. Click E for escalation. Escalation bills can be prepared based on clause 10cc for cement, steel, other materials and labor. Escalation window opens. Contract details not given in master operation shall be given here. Percentage of components of cement, steel, material and labor is to be given here. Indices of RBI for cement, steel and materials to be given here. Minimum wages of labor is to be given here. Bill-wise details of payments, advances and recoveries are to be given. Program generates the report of escalation as per eligibility. Click L for levels. It can be used for Levels for creating level field book entries along with cut fill volumes in a report. Levels and cut fill volume window opens by specifying the chainage interval, number of left points and number of right points, and then clicking add button will create stretch of entries, the necessary benchmark, top level, etc. to be given. On entering staff readings in backside, intermediate side, foreside fully by clicking calculation button, all calculations of height of instrument, reduced levels, average level in each grid will be calculated automatically. On clicking preview button, level field book entries and cut fill volumes can be obtained. Click R for registers. Registers for daily labor, daily cement, quality control of materials, etc. can be made easily. Registers window opens. Depending upon the project, specific registers can be made with required number of pages. Click close button to exit the program. Program data files, that is CBS 2013E folder, should be in a drive other than C drive to safeguard data while formatting a corrupted OS. Backup of master data is very important. For each contract ID, backup shall be made through copy to option from housekeeping menu. Backup shall be done at regular intervals of entry of measurements and or for every bill at every date or any time. Ensure same contract ID at bottom left corner wherever contract ID is selected at top. For any problem or doubt, please contact me via email at ravishoban@yahoo.co.in. Set default printer to PDF printer or A3 printer. While printing, select appropriate printer by which print can be obtained on A4 or A3 paper. Every printout of bill contains timestamp on all pages. This is to check any wrong insertions are made after initial printout. For bigger size forms windows, the window can be zoomed by dragging right bottom corner of window. If print is cutting on left margin, please set PDF printer as default printer and select current printer while printing. Escalation windows is to be closed and reopened before printing to get the changes made or affected in calculations. Master data can be created from Excel file easily, by which one can start using the program without struggle and much training. Thank you very much. By Ravishoban.